Back on the game po tayo mga kaibigan. Iskandar made his move. There was a clean block from Papelera against Torrejas. Ryan Bailon missed that jump shot. Magic Jong on the transition. Bigay kay Ashok. Sabi ni Ashok, free throw muna ako. He missed that free throw. TJ Munford back to Torrejas. Miss. Rebound by Bossing. Bossing to Papelera. Papelera. Ganito yung play natin. Bigay kay Magic Jong. Wow. Committed by Papelera. Third quarter po tayo mga kaibigan. Score po natin 47-42. Lamang po ang Al-Iskandar ng 5 points. Bola ng JT. Transition. Papelera to Magic Jong. Back to Papelera. Papelera for an easy 2. That made our score 44-47. Just a 3-point advantage for Team Al-Iskandar. PJ thinking of what to do. PJ bigay kay Torrejas. Reverse. Mintes. Papelera was fouled by Mr. Marcel Al-Santi Al-Iskandar. Second half po tayo ng third quarter mga kaibigan. So obviously there will be a change of players. 5 players will be replaced by the next 5 players. PJ giving his teams a direction of what to do for the remaining 5 minutes of the third quarter. Magic Jong thinking of what to do. This is what I'm gonna do. Magic Jong made his move for an easy 2 points. 46-47 mga kaibigan. It's just a 1-point lead for Team Iskandar. Cañete as harassed by Paulo. Cañete looking for his teammates. Jun Develos. Ayun, sabi ni Jun. Ayos, may masusulat na akong sa rekat ko bukas sa Mindanao Times. Score po natin, 46-49. It's just a 3-point lead for Team Al-Iskandar. Mr. Paradise to Alcino. Chino for 3! Clarification. As per referee's decision, it is not counted mga kaibigan. Kick back of the board, on top of the board, which means it's outside. Cañete calling for a play. Jun Develos looking for Cañete. Back to Cañete. Cañete nabasa ni Mr. Paradise. Nakuha ni Paulo for an AC2. Score natin mga kaibigan, 48-49. Just a 1-point lead. Mahigpit po talaga ang labanan ng dalawang teams na mga kaibigan. Cañete slicing the defense. Back to number 17. Manabat! Power move by Manabat! Yun ang tawag nating power move. Kulang yata yung gym ko, sabi ni Mr. Paradise. Sige lang, babalikan kita, Sir Edwin, sabi ni Mr. Paradise. Sayang yung layup ni Mr. Magic Jong. Paula score. Bola lang JT. Magic Jong trying to make his move. Magic Jong slicing the defense. Wow! 2 points. It's back to 1-point lead for Team Al-Iskandar. Cañete for a layup. 3 points again. 50-53 po mga kaibigan. Sabi ni Mr. Paradise, medyo nalilitan yata ito sa muscle ko. Gusto yatang tikman ang muscle ko. Well, here's for you. Magic Dome. Magic Dome. I have to take the lead ngayon mga kaibigan. Sabi niya. There was obvious, very obvious mga kaibigan. A traveling violation was called on Mr. Paolo Mesias. Traveling will be charged to 635. Will be charged to 532 300. Cañete. Sweet revenge for Mr. Cañete. Tinaman ako ng city mo kanina. Well, itong sa inyo. I'll give you 3 points. A sweet 3 points from me. Mr. Paradise, itong sa'yo. Itong sinasabi ko sa'yo, Mr. Cañete. Yung muscle ko. Manabat to Cañete for another 3. Eto again sa nagpipersonalan na ito mga kaibigan. Nagpipersonalan na si Mr. Cañete at saka si Mr. Paradise. Magic Dome. Sila lang ba marunong mag 3 points? Tingnan nga natin. Aba, may depensa sa akin. Paolo Mesias. Ako magti 3 points din, sabi ni Jaworski. Etong sa inyo mga kaibigan. Hindi ko kaya mag 3 points pero dito ko kukunin sa ibaba. That would be a sure 2 points plus another 1 point possible score for Mr. Chino. Chino is on the line ngayon for a free throw. Libre po ito mga kaibigan. Libre pero hindi binigay. Bola. The playing coach for Team Alice Kanda, TJ Monfort is calling for the play. Okay. Sabi niya, ganitong gawin natin. Okay, yan. Tama yan. Sabi niya. Okay. Agree rin si Mr. Manabat. Eto ngayon. Etong para sa inyo. 3. Eto. Tatlo. Bintes. Manabat for a rebound. Layup! Missed by Mr. Manabat. However, there was a foul call against Mr. Paradise. Anong ginawa ko rin? Wala akong ginawa rin. Wala, as in wala. Akala mo lang meron, pero wala. Mr. Manabat made that first free throw. Second free throw. Bina to. Pasok.